Gyan, and guys, today we are up with the fourth episode, and this episode is of series of survival German for emergencies. In this video, we're gonna learn the phrases about railway station. So yes, if you are in Germany, if you are going to a railway station, if you are going to Bahnhof, then yes, these phrases are the most useful, most important phrases. In fact, we have combined the phrases as a conversation also in the end. So it's gonna be super duper useful, super duper fun, and of course super duper learnful. So make sure to watch this video. And guys, if you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Gyan, and guys, I am a CEO and the founder of Germangyan. Germangyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, like whatever you can think around German, Germangyan is a one-stop solution. So make sure to subscribe the channel, and let's start with this episode.
At the railway station. The first scenario is when the announcement is made about the change in the train destination. So here are some phrases which you can use if you have some confusion about the announcement. Entschuldigung, gibt es eine Änderung des Zugziels? Means, excuse me, is there a change in the train destination? Second phrase is, könnten Sie mir bitte erklären, was passiert ist? Means, could you please explain to me what happened? Next phrase is, welcher Zug fährt jetzt in die richtige Richtung? Means, which train is going in the right direction now? The next situation is when you are considering changing trains. So the first phrase is, muss ich den Zug wechseln? Means, do I need to change the trains? Second phrase is, kann ich einfach auf einen anderen Zug umsteigen? Means, can I just switch to another train? And the next phrase is, gibt es einen anderen Zug, der mich an mein Ziel bringt? Means, is there another train that will take me to my destination? Muss ich den Zug wechseln? Means, do I need to change trains? Second phrase is, kann ich einfach auf einen anderen Zug umsteigen? Means, can I just switch to another train? And last phrase is, gibt es einen anderen Zug, der mich an mein Ziel bringt? Means, is there another train that will take me to my destination? Next scenario is when you are unsure about the train changes, then here are the phrases which you can use and take the help from others. The first phrase is, Entschuldigung, ich bin neu hier. Wie funktioniert das mit dem Umsteigen? Means, excuse me, I am new here. How does the transfer work? So for the word transfer, we have used umsteigen. Second is, könnten Sie mir helfen, den richtigen Zug zu finden? Means, could you help me find the right train? And the last phrase is, habe ich den Zug verpasst? Means, did I miss the train? Next scenario is when you are asking for assistance at the station. The first phrase is, Entschuldigung, wo ist der Bahnsteig für den anderen Zug? Means, excuse me, where is the platform for the other train? Next phrase is, welcher Zug fährt nach Hamburg? Means, which train goes to Hamburg? And the last phrase is, könnte ich eine Erstattung bekommen, wenn der Zug nicht mehr fährt? Means, can I get a refund if the train is no longer running? So the last phrase is very important because of course if the train is not going to the direction where you want to go, so you definitely want to have the refund. And now let's use this phrase in a conversation and see how you can use it in the real life. Entschuldigung, gibt es eine Änderung des Zugziels?
Ja, der Zug fährt nicht nach Hamburg, sondern nach Berlin.
Ich bin mir nicht sicher, ob ist den richtigen Zug genommen habe. Muss ich den Zug wechseln?
Ja, es gibt einen anderen Zug, der nach Hamburg fährt. Der nächste fährt in 10 Minuten.
Wo finde ich den anderen Zug?
Der andere Zug fährt von Gleis 5 ab.
Danke für Ihre Hilfe.
Gern geschehen. Gute Reise.
So guys, how was this episode? I hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.